Okay, the sheep are trying to pick the lock on the gate there. Uh, when I let them in the yard, a lot of times they will run all the way up to the driveway because that's where they're used to getting corn. And then they'll race back to me when they see that there's no corn and like, hey, what's up, buddy? Give us the corn. Let's see if that happens today. There they go. Okay, so they see there's no food. Here they come back. You're wondering, where is the food? You know where the food is. It's right here. Let's go. Let's go. You're right in my way. I was feeding them with this green feeder. It's actually a squirrel feeder, but it holds corn. And it's kind of funny, the sheep will bop their head into it in order to shake the corn out, and they'll eat it off the ground. But I found they started getting a little competitive with the feeder, so that's why I'm spreading it out on the driveway so there are fewer issues.